Hi, thank you for joining me in Bobshi's Corner. We are in Bobshi's kitchen, my kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Barb, and I would like to bring you along for when I do my lunch prep of pepper and egg wraps. Not pepper and egg grinders, pepper and egg wraps. So let's get to it. I thought I'd bring you along. I'm going to be making that pepper and egg grinder or wrap. I've been craving that. So I'm going to do scrambled eggs with green bell peppers. But I'm using my water glass eggs, and apparently I did have an egg that cracked in here. So right now I started testing if the eggs are still good or do I have to get rid of all these eggs. I found the egg that cracked. So this one I will get rid of. There's no smell to it because it's preserved in the lime solution. So that one I will get rid of. And now I am just taking one by one until I get a dozen, because I think I'm going to use a dozen eggs. And I'm testing them on whether or not they are good to use or not. So this is the first test I do. So I'm going to move you over to the sink and let's see if they float or if they sink. If they sink, they are good. If they float, they are bad. So I'll meet you at the sink. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 in there so far. Let's see. That one's sunk. 8. And there's my dozen. And they're all good. They all sunk to the bottom. So now I am just going to go ahead and wash them. Okay, let's get these cracked. So I want to say that even though I did do that water test, sink or float, I still did a second one, which is smell the shell after it's cracked to make sure that these have not gone bad. So I'm going to scramble these up. I like this. I think this is like an egg whisk. I like this whisk. Let's see, get some salt. That's about a teaspoon, a full teaspoon. About a teaspoon of pepper. And this will be it. I'm going to keep it more on a plainer side to make it more of the pepper and egg grinder taste. I don't want to add too much. I want it to taste the egg and the bell pepper and nothing else. So there are my bell peppers all sliced up. It's going to be a heavy pepper scrambled egg mix. I'm going to add a little cream. There we go. That's the last of my half and half. All right, I'm going to bring you over to my stove and we'll get going. I put the heat on medium high. Oh, I'm dropping everything. I'm going to spray. I'm just using my all-purpose or pure avocado spray, avocado oil spray. I'm going to pour just a little bit of water in here to give it steam and cover it. Salt these. I'm gonna let this cool and I'll bring you back for when I put these into the tortilla. I'm not doing grinders, even though this is based on a pepper and egg grinder that I used to order from a pizza takeout place. I am actually going to use these extra large tortilla wraps, and I'm going to make it into a wrap instead of a grinder. So I'll bring you back at that time. Got my wraps out of the freezer. They're thawed out. And I did decide I pulled some cheese out of the freezer. It's these it's deluxe slices. They're American cheese. I did not realize that these are not individually wrapped. I had to pull them apart. But I'm gonna put some cheese on here as well. I'm not sure which way is better to roll. I'm not good at rolling tortillas, but let's see how I do. heat this pan up. I'm going to spray it with my avocado oil. There. I have it on a medium-high heat. My camera shut off. I'm not sure where it cut off, but what I did was I browned the sides of these, and I have one left. Thank goodness I noticed this while I still had one left to do on all sides. Okay, these have cooled down. I am going to wrap them up in this paper. Thank you for joining me at Bobji's Corner and Bobji's Kitchen, my kitchen, while I prep my lunch for the upcoming week of scrambled eggs and bell pepper wraps. And until next time, hope to see you soon.